Hello and very warm welcome to the ma'am Vidya Pingle. Very welcome, ma'am, to the show of
Thanks,
Career
Priti, for
Counselors.
this invitation and choosing me to be on this show. Really a great honor.
No, it's an honor for us as an entire team of Next Move to have you on our set because it's very like what to say. The torch bearer herself is on the show. That means a lot and a wonderful moment for us.
Thank you.
So, I don't want to give a normal introduction to you. I want you to share your own journey in your own words. Who you
Yeah,
are and
well,
how you come up
yes,
till
a
this
very,
stage.
very common middle class girl who grew up in the chawls of Mumbai initially and but had a dream of doing something big. Well, I would say I have done very great big, but yes, I have done something memorable in life. I recently got the Pride of Maharashtra award.
Wow.
So I feel that yes, I have made a difference to many lives. And I think, as they say, the goodness you put out into the world comes back to you. And this is today the goodness that is all coming back. So, coming back to my journey, I started after finishing SSC and getting pretty good marks in it. At home, everybody said, or rather, family outside my parents said, "Oh, science, doctor to ban hi sakti ho." So I said, "But I am shit scared of biology." I mean, in 10th standard itself, dissecting the frog made me faint. So could not have become a doctor or anybody because the moment they would wheel in a patient, maybe I would faint. Engineering was what others talked because I'm talking about the year 1978. So at that time, all that you became was a doctor or an engineer if you
Engineer,
were
right.
good at studies. And I was good. I think I got some fifth, seventh rank in the school also. But
Uh-huh.
the thing is I didn't want to take up science. So my father said, take up commerce, no issues. He said, जो करना है करो, but excel in it. Excel करोगे तो success झक मार के तुम्हारे पीछे आएगा.
Right.
And that is the key that what I also pass on is that whatever you do, my father said, झाड़ू वाली बनना है बनो, but you have to be the world's best झाड़ू वाली. Then you have a prize. It's not what you do, as they say, that winners don't
Right.
do different things. They do things differently. I think Shiv
Differently.
Khera
Right.
said this.
Right. Right.
Yeah.
Right.
So I also believe in that and say कि जो भी करना है करो, but excel in it. I recently met someone who started haircutting at the age of 12 as free service to students in a boarding school, and he
Okay.
really enjoyed doing it, and today he has 300 salons to his credit.
Wow.
Now what I mean, it's just that you go with a dream, you go with a passion, you do, as my father used to say, whatever you do, give it your 100%. Something half done is half not done.
Absolutely.
So do it, give it your 100%, and success will always be yours. So after doing commerce, when I was in the 12th, and I'm talking about the year 1980, at a loose end after the 12th exam, I wanted to learn a foreign language, and at that time, most people learned French. I decided to learn German. And what
Mhm.
started as a hobby became my career. I did MA, MPhil in German, learned German, did teacher training in Germany, have been teaching now for 39 years.
Oh, wow.
I'm a licensed international examiner for various proficiency exams from the first to the last level, that is A1 to C2.
Okay.
So, and at 63, it's still going.
Wow.
And at 63, I think I'm busier than I was in my younger days. But
Oh,
yes, I keep working and I don't get tired generally because I think it's a passion I follow. And so, yes, and along this road came somewhere career counseling. It
Mm-hmm.
started off that those who we teach, we guide them as to how
Right.
to go for higher studies, how to write the SOP, how to
Mm-hmm.
do the search. We don't do it. Today, I feel somewhere we are doing everything for the students or even for our children. I recently wrote about an article on parenting in one of the parenting books.
Okay.
We try to protect our children from hardships, but that doesn't work. Unless no pain, no gain. Simple rule of life.
Wow, you have just spoken a very, very prominent statement that we as a parent actually we don't ever want our children to go to hardships.
Yeah, but it doesn't. Where there is day, there is night. Where there is joy, there is pain. And it is all part of life. No pain. Otherwise, then it will be like the Gautam Buddha story. The moment he saw pain, he left home.
Right, and the like ultimate thing, हम लोग इतना cozy environment दे रहे हैं हमारे बच्चों को.
But as Robin Sharma says, success lies outside of your comfort zone. Success
Absolutely,
does
absolutely.
not.
They have to struggle for the things they
And
are
we
wanting
also
to.
struggled, Smriti. Whatever
Right.
we got, it wasn't served to us on a platter. We
Absolutely,
struggled. So
absolutely.
why not let the students or children also struggle? So it
Right,
is
right.
fine. Struggle. And as they say, I mean, hard work never killed anybody. Laziness
Absolutely.
did.
Definitely. And moreover, the things are the more we help them to stay in the comfort zone, the more they will become lazy. They won't have
Yes, so
dreams. They
it
have
is, they
just
have
one
to be
thoughts.
pushed out of the comfort zone so that they will learn to stand on their own 2 feet. So our career counseling, the way we did for our German students was we never charged them anything. They just had to enroll in our German classes, help them write the SOP, we help them search the universities, we help them write the letters, we help
Mhm.
them in getting references from their professors and so on. We helped in many ways, but
Mhm.
doing they had to do
They have to
themselves.
do. Wow. So, like, it was a wonderful story framed in a very small and compact, actually, the bombarding statements. And it is very much like I'm learning a lot. Like, sitting in front of you, it's like I'm going through the classes now. I'm getting the exact meaning which I was like, it was the first thing was let me give something valuable to the listeners, but here the one who is getting benefited. It's me first. Okay. So, my second question would be during this journey up you have been training children, you have been around with children, you just spoke before we started our conversation that going through like how the guidance is done, there are various processes. What is the pattern which you notice 39 years, that's a long gap, like what is the difference between today's child and the child which you have been seeing in the past
Yeah,
a decade
so
before?
earlier we just had to, you see, it was पहले पढ़ाई करो, then फिर छोकरी लाओ, फिर बाद में उसकी छोकरी लाओ या छोकरा लाओ, whatever. So it went in a very standardized pattern. But today I see Gen Z and also the before that, whatever Gen N, X, Y, whatever it is, they have lot of ideas and the exposure to the world is much more today. We grew up in a time with no internet, with
Right.
values passed on to us by our parents. And today, it's very difficult to tell children anything. They are guided by the internet, they are guided by their friends. So I feel it is best for them to do what they want, what they feel is best, what they think is suiting them best, and just be supporters along the line.
What
Because,
if, yes, what, I'm so sorry, I just spaced in, but
yeah,
there's just a question which popped in my head. You said what they feel best, what they feel good, right? And what
yeah,
they are aligned to. But what
yeah,
if, as a counselor, as an experienced person, when
yeah.
they sit in front of you and things are, you are clearly seeing that no, it is not the exact path, then how
Yes,
do you
but you
leave
see,
it?
if I tell you वहां कुआं है, कूदो मत, और तुम कहती हो नहीं मुझे कूदना है, तो बहना कूदना, जब डूब जाएगी तब तो चिल्लाओगी और बाहर निकालने तो मैं पहुंच ही जाऊंगी.
Okay, so this is the main difference. Actually, I think
Yes, I feel because
yes,
earlier we took advice. We took advice of our parents, we took advice of our elders, we took advice of our teachers. But today it's not that. The younger generation feels they know better.
right.
And so I tell you check with your friends. I'd say this to my children also. You check with your friends. Check with someone slightly senior to you, in say maybe the boss or the mentor in your office, and then decide what to do. Don't take our advice because our advice comes from a different generation, and that advice may not be valid for today's times. So I always say, even my own children, just to give you a job, an example. Today, children change jobs every 2-3 years. It was
Yes,
not the case with us. We took up a job to retire there.
right. That was our mindset.
So today, with the changed mindset, the changed circumstances, because today, if you tell this that don't change, they will say, oh, well, you get only one life to experience different things. And if I want to change and experience this, then I say, okay, go ahead. एंड एज पेरेंट्स आई से गिर गए तो है संभालने में तब तक तो जहां नहीं है मार.
Actually, that is the best advice we can give. There is one more, one very prominent difference between abhi ka generation and pehle ka. पहले का बच्चा was open to learn, open to accept, as you said कि हम parents से पूछते थे, हम मेंटर से पूछते थे, बहन से,
आजकल के बच्चे किसी से नहीं
किसी से
पूछते
नहीं
बिकॉज
पूछते.
उनको इंटरनेट की तरफ से सब पता है. They
They
know
are already
everything from the internet. So, okay, इंटरनेट से उनको सब पता चलता.
okay. So अगर हम ये कहते like at an age of 16 to 17, एक्चुअली आज का जेन अल्फा जो है वो ऑलरेडी बहुत सीजन हो चुका होता है इंटरनेट से. एज पर योर एक्सपीरियंस, इफ वी सजेस्ट करियर काउंसलिंग इन स्कूल्स, व्हाट शुड बी द एज? क्या क्लास
Yeah,
होनी चाहिए?
no, the thing is, see, an IQ is already formed by the age of 10. So, उसमें तो कुछ बढ़ोती नहीं. It जो है उसको you can enhance it
Enhance,
through
right.
some exercises and so on. Right? The Mensa tests are conducted if performed when they are in the third or fourth standard itself to know those with high IQ kids. Now, those who have high IQ or those who want to go in for highly academic qualifications can go. But today, through vocational training for us, as those who know German, there is vocational training in the form of Ausbildung available in Germany for nursing, for plumbing, for electrician, for cooking, for baking, and so on. It's a 3-year program where every month they
हेलो.
lead a simple life in Germany. So we try to send students for the Ausbildung. We send students for bachelor studies. See, it's in our time it was important to have a degree. Today degrees don't matter. Competence matters. Skills matter. So today there are people like driving. गाड़ी चलानी आनी चाहिए. लाइसेंस है कि नहीं वो बाद में देख.
Right,
Yes,
right.
पहले गाड़ी चलानी आनी चाहिए. गाड़ी चलाने का कॉन्फिडेंस आना चाहिए. So there are various people who do. Now you see these young kids, they are so good at video editing and making reels and
Right,
putting
right.
music and so on, for which they have got no training. Maybe they can work on this and make a profession out of it. And there are many now who have done professions out of this. They are videographers, they are reel makers, they create special
Content
reels for you.
creators, yes, absolutely.
Yes, content creators and so on. So, okay, some people say, well, it has a very short life. ठीक है यार. 1 लाख रुपए सालाना या महीना whatever 10 महीने खरीदने, इससे अच्छा है 4 महीने में खरीदो, 6 महीने आराम करो, तब तक you can find energy to do something else.
Right. So you said like you started with something as a hobby, learning
And
German,
it became my profession.
and it become your profession. If in today's world somebody wanted to acquire the profession which you are doing, what are the ultimate steps for
No,
the
now there is another flip side to this story.
Okay.
That, okay, we worked hard to gain all the credentials that are needed, certificates and so on, to practice a profession. Now, you see, even in teaching or knowledge giving, we believed we should acquire 1 rupee of knowledge so that we can give 25 paise out of it. We
Right,
still
right,
have
right.
75.
Mm.
Now people who have 25 and want to give 5 of it.
Yeah.
So you imagine the state of the student. From us, he got 25. From new teachers, he gets 5.
Yes, yes, yes.
Because now the trend is make hay wherever the sun shines.
And there's nothing is more like they don't feel like getting expertise into anything is more important. They feel like a
नहीं,
थोड़ा
it is
सा
very हाँ
yeah,
जितना आता
jack
है
of all
उसी
and
से. That
master
is
of
why
none.
that
Yeah,
is the big difference. We went in search of excellence. We qualified, we went in for higher. I'm not generalizing, but the trend is that you could make a quick buck because so much money is needed today. That money has so many diversions. When we were studying or when we grew up, we didn't need money because we felt whatever little pocket money we gave, or
have.
rather our
Yeah.
parents gave, or
Mm.
whichever way they took care of us was sufficient. Today, there are many wants around. अच्छा phone चाहिए, ये चाहिए, फला. You see, there are people who go into fancy stores, just put on clothes in the trial room,
Trial
make
room.
reels out of
Reels
it,
and it,
and
yes.
flash it on their social media.
So it's a kind of like
Whereas for us, it was more important not to show off, but
right,
to
right.
have. Today, it's important to show than to
So
actually have or do. You have to show
ultimate,
that you are happy. You don't
absolutely.
have to be
You
necessarily
won't
happy.
yeah, you don't have to be necessarily happy. That is the main factor. Actually, the
So,
ये
given
बहुत बड़ा
this,
gap
all
है.
these
Okay.
changes in the thinking of people, career counseling also has changed in the sense that there are many other professions. So just doctor, MBBS, I mean MBBS engineering वगैरह छोड़ के IIT और सब छोड़ के, there are also many other things people are doing. Imagine beauticians, how much they are earning today. The
Absolutely.
awareness and craze for beauty and beauty parlors and thing is people are willing to pay 70-80,000 to a makeup person to just do their makeup at a very simple sa wedding. I'm not talking about film stars and so on. I mean, I'm just talking about I know because simple middle class weddings, they spend 50 to 80,000 just for this makeup person who will do their makeover, so to say, कि ऐसे
Yes.
बना देंगे कि दुल्हन तो पहचान में ही नहीं आती.
External factors actually are more prominent and
Yes,
important
that
these days.
intrinsic. You see, you said it rightly. We concentrated on the inner.
The
Today,
inner
the
one.
focus is
Right,
on the outer.
right, right. Basically, as an upbringing, what we get from our elders was whatever you have inside will also boom outside. It will
Yes,
attract the
but
same sort
then,
of
yeah,
things.
and now that is why it is coming to then self realization, seeing the self and being happy. So it's like goes up and down this way and that way. Trends come, trends go, but those who have metal in them, those who have a core in them,
Right.
they will survive in every situation. And I believe as career counselors, as teachers, we have to concentrate on building the core,
Right. But
a
it's
core
half done.
competency.
But still, I believe that it will still be half done because the parental part, right? The student may come to us for an hour or a two or for few days if there is a sort of different level of counseling being done, right? The main part as a parent, because you said you have
Yeah,
written a very
because the parents have to today finance this. We do not have systems as in other countries that the child can do what they want and they will get like through vocational training or whatever.
Right.
They will get paid. Our children have little opportunity to stand on their own feet and be independent. So when parents are paying for it, they will dictate. As
No,
simple as
it's
that.
not about dictation. Actually, as a counselor, giving the core value to a person as a child, the child can sit in front of us for for a small span of time. But as a missing link between the parent and the child, the core should be given by the parents. Basically, if we go in the backyard of all these things, ये generate
Mhm.
कहाँ से होना चाहिए? Today's
Mhm.
parents are also not having enough of time to spend
Mhm.
the things with or share the
Yes,
values with our children, right?
yes.
That is
So
it.
that is why it is all, everything has changed. We are
Right.
in a different world, and that is why I think all of us are, I wouldn't say struggling, but trying to find our place in all this.
Right, right. So it is like a different world actually, where we started from and where we are going to. I don't know
Yeah.
how far we'll go to the eternal end. What
I
will be
think we
the
have also changed Smriti with time. Now I also show the various options that are available. I say, well, it's like a buffet system. This
Mhm.
is all that is available.
Mhm.
Choose what you like.
Right? So basically, the struggle is the Gen Alpha already have a mindset. They already have a bundle of knowledge for them, and they wanted to be the owner of their own life. They don't want the
And yes,
hindrances.
and they have influencers and
Yes,
social media and everybody to guide them. And in
absolutely.
all this, we are the dumb idiots who know nothing.
Actually, the value what we should carry
We
is
think we are very great and know everything, but we are then told you are dumb and you know nothing, we know better.
the dilution has already there in the market because of the influencers and the internet, which is already there present with all factors.
So
That's there.
I always say, see, I can only highlight what is good and
What is
what are the pitfalls. Now it is up to you to decide. I can only take a horse to the water, but I can't make it drink it. So,
and
as a
moreover, if
career
you fell in
counselor,
the pit,
I feel it is our job to take the horse to the water. We
right.
leave the horse to drink it.
And moreover, if you fall in the pit, save our number. We are there to take you out of that pit. Don't worry on that.
We are always there. We are always there to fish you out. No problem.
That's great. That's great. So thank you
And
so
even
much.
when they
Yeah.
come, when they fail and they come, I don't start by saying, see, I told you. I just say, okay, now you are a different person.
Hmm.
Because at that time you came at ground zero. Today you come with experience. So today
Right,
what
right.
I say has a different meaning for
Different
you
meaning.
than what was when I was earlier.
Absolutely, absolutely. Yes, actually, in the entire discussion, there is one very important word hardship. Let them go through that. Let them go
Yes.
through that. The more they go, the more they get seasoned and the more are open
the
to
more
us.
the more they will reflect and the more wiser they will
Yes,
become,
yes.
because information is not wisdom.
Right, right, right. Actually, the actions, whatever we project in the earlier steps, multiple times it happened with me as well. When I say or suggest some of the student, beta ye feels and these are factors because of AI, all of these are things. Hardly for a minute or two, a child will agree. Then he'll go on कि नहीं मैम अभी तो मेरे को ये मैंने देखा था ये लास्ट रील था और उसमें ये बताया था तो नाउ व्हाट नाउ दिस सो
बहुत सारे तो व्हाट्सएप यूनिवर्सिटी के
yes
स्टूडेंट्स
there
हैं,
are.
मैं उनसे तो बहस ही नहीं करती.
These are actually the dilution which are there in the market. So
बट इट्स
nevertheless,
ओके, ये भी एक
yes.
हवा है, ये भी बह जाए चली जाएगी, फिर और कुछ आएगा तब देखेंगे.
Right. We are prepared. We are all together prepared
Yeah,
with our
because change is the only permanent thing in life, Nasprati. So
yes.
change will happen, and जैसे जैसे we will change accordingly, also along with
Abs-
the times.
Okay. So I think the exact time as per I have committed to you is nearby. I'm so thankful to you to take out the time this for this session showcasing us the entire thing with your experience, how the children are guided, and moreover, the hardship. This is my takeaway for today. At times, we as a parent or a counselor, we say कि बच्चा तकलीफ से होकर ना गुजरे, but it is a part and parcel
नहीं
of life
नहीं, जो
to be
तकलीफ
there.
से नहीं जाएगा. आज जो भी सक्सेसफुल है वो भी तकलीफें उठाते हैं, बट तकलीफें जरूर उठाते हैं. डिसिप्लिन जरूर है उनमें,
Mhm.
कंसिस्टेंसी जरूर है इनमें, एंड दैट इज इट. डिसिप्लिन, कंसिस्टेंसी एंड हार्ड वर्क. hard or smart, whatever, but work. No
Right.
work and everything just doesn't happen with a magic wand.
Right, right, right. Wishful thoughts तक
Thoughts
नहीं
no,
जाना.
only
No, no.
thoughts no. Action is needed. Only thoughts
Absolutely.
don't take you anywhere. But yes, manifestation होने के लिए भी तुमको कुछ तो करना पड़ता है.
There should be input, na? Then only you'll get the output.
No output. नहीं वही तो इनपुट नहीं है तो आउटपुट का तो ये नियम है.
Right, right, right. Thank you so much, Vidya. Thank you for
Very
this
most
session.
welcome. Anytime. Okay.
And
Done.
I'll be definitely sharing the recording sessions and all the links on your WhatsApp.
Yeah, छोटा links, whatever. Okay, it was nice
Okay.
talking to you. Take
Same
care.
here.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.